my friend Anoop is from MapR. He's the VP of Product Management, so it's exciting for us. And Attunity, we're a partner, and we're really excited about our partnership. We've built not only support for streams, but we've been loading MapRFS and a number of big customers together. So what I'd like to do is say thank you for joining us, which is really helpful. And also, maybe you could give us some really exciting things that are going on with MapR, because I know this is a big conference for you guys.
First of all, Jordan, thank you very much for having me here. Yeah, we are delighted to partner with Attunity. It's always been a great partner at convergent events to see what we are doing together for our customers. MapR, this is a big day for MapR. We have launched a huge uplift to our MapR database that allows now people to build next generation applications in real time, in place, with machine learning, with deep integration with streaming engines, so people can write next generation applications without really having to create 5 different silos of big data and then stitch them together. So that has been a very big deal for us, and we are getting a lot of traction with customers here at the show. It's unbelievable the number of people that are stopping by at the booth and asking us about all the demos we have.
Oh yeah. It's exciting for me because originally, I connected with MapR 5 years ago at a DAMA user group and recommended you. I live in Michigan, and so I'm actually in the field a lot, and I'm seeing huge traction. It's really exciting. I mean, it really is. Not only are customers I'm hearing the resounding, yeah, we love this, but it's even furthermore, you've announced a partnership with C3 IoT. You've got the analytics database extension you just talked about, but also 6.0 is coming. Big releases are coming, right?
That's right, and I think what we are seeing is now finally the market is coming to us instead of us going out and reaching out to the market. The hard work that the engineering team put in making things reliable, stable, scalable is all starting to now resonate, because once people try big data experiments, and they see value with it, then they want to take it into production, and that's where the rubber hits the road.
Oh, yeah. It's amazing to see, because when you first saw the file system, it's 2013, those initial slides when people were talking about what is the MapR file system, and you get it, you're like, whoa. And I mean, it's really exciting because not only are the pre-built applications that are coming, right? I mean, the market's really maturing, and you've been in it a long time. So what are your thoughts on the maturity of the market and where it's going?
I think the next 3 to 5 years is going to be much bigger than the last 3 to 5 years that we have seen, partially because the experimentation phase is over. People want results, and they know where to go to get those results. So I see that now there is more confidence. People are making bigger bets on their big data strategy.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pivot a little bit into MapR DB and into streams, because we did a demo for you the other day, and I was showing you our product, and we were talking about IoT and the different use cases where that drive them. So I can load into MapR streams, but you've got core clusters, and then you've got MapR at the edge. And it's exciting because we can load those in 3. I hit the database once to extract. Well, I'm not really even hitting the database, I'm extracting, but then I'm parallelizing it out to 3 spots and loading streams, but then you guys are collecting insane amounts of data at the edge.
So Ted Dunning, I don't know if you're familiar with Ted Dunning, he's a great machine learning author and PMC member of Apache. He calls this act locally, learn globally, which is the idea being that I need to learn from everywhere and then take that insight and act anywhere. Right? And so that's what the edge is allowing you to do. You can take thousands or hundreds of thousands or millions of devices or sensors all over the world and then learn from them and then push the insight back to the edge so you can take action there, right? Because the action has to be local. You can't wait for the headquarters to tell you what to do if there is a oil spill about to happen in an oil rig, or some healthcare equipment is about to go bad. You need to act right there in that moment.
I mean, I look at it from my experience, which is a customer use case where all the databases that are the point of sale, right? Customer experience, what are you going to buy? I mean, it hits us home at every point, how you buy your coffee, all kinds of things. So it's really exciting, and you guys are growing so fast, and it's a great partnership. So absolutely, thank you.
Yeah, thank you for having me. It was incredible to talk to you.